Alright, so this is just gonna be a quick video. We got this air filter from HIPA and this cable. I was gonna do a video on this cable, but the customer wanted his mower back and whatever, didn't want that. So whenever I get to put that on, I'll show you guys that. So let's talk about this air filter for this Kawasaki engine here. So here's the old one. We haven't replaced this since we got it, and it was back in 2013. So this is the original air filter still. We blew it out a few times, but yeah, look at all the dirt in there. So we put these side by side real quick. So you see, they look basically identical. If you pull the filter off, the pre-filter off this, you see there's like a mesh on it covering the pleats. And on this one, you just have the pleats. These pleats seem to be tighter packed, so more surface area to catch more dirt. Meanwhile, this one looks more open. It could just be the way the metals around it, because if you look on the inside, they look identical. So we'll put this one in. Brush that out quick. Pop that in. Tighten down this clamp. And if anything happens, I'll update you guys on this. So that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about today. So I'll see you guys in the next video.